File handling in Python. In programming languages, there are situations where we need to perform some of the file operations to read the files, to write the files. So in this session we will be looking at what are the different options we have, or how file handling can be performed in the Python programming languages. So these are the three functions provided by Python to perform the file operations. First is the open. Open will give an option to open the file with a given mode. Inside the open function, you can provide the mode whether you want to read, write, or append the contents into the file. So these are the modes we can pass with the open command. This will help to open the file for that specific reason. Then we have a read operation. Read operation will be help to read the content from that file, and write is the option which will help to write the contents to the file. Okay, so these are the list of modes available in the file operation. When we are giving the open function, what are the options we can pass as a mode? So R is provided to open the file in the reading format. By default, the file will be in the same format if you don't pass any mode. Then W will be used to open for a writing or truncating the file first. Here what it happens is when you pass the mode as a W, if the file is already exist with some contents, it will just delete those contents and it will write the new contents. But if you want to append it, then you have to use the A as a mode. That way it will open the file for the writing and it will append the contents to end of the file. If the file is not exist in both write and append case, it will create the new file. If you want to create a new file itself, you can use the option X, which will be creating a new file and it will open for the writing. These are the two modes to open the file. One is the binary mode and T is for the text mode. By default, all files will be opened as a text mode. Now let's go to the demo. Here I'll create one file variable and I will open the file. You can see here demo.txt file is already created. So I'll open this file to read. Since I'm going to read, I will pass here mode as a read. Okay. Now once I have this file open for the read mode, I will be reading this file using the read function. So I'm creating one variable content which will copy all the contents from this file with the read function. Now let's print what we have inside the content. Here we can see the message welcome to Python web series. Now if you come here, you can see welcome to Python web series as a contents. Now if I want to write something on this file, how we can do that? Let's see how we can do this. So I will open a file into write mode. Okay, so I'll pass the file name. Then I will also provide the write mode. Now this will open the file into write mode. Sorry, my bad. This will open a file into write mode. My mode is not okay. Now this file will be open in a write mode. Now what I will do is I'll create some content. Let's see. I'll put new in the new line. I'll put my string as a hello world. Okay, so this is my new line. If you see here demo.txt, we have only one line here. I'm going to pass this content as a new input to the file. So how I can do that is we have a function as write. Inside write, I'll be passing this. Now let me run this code so that you can see the change. Okay. Now you can see here hello world got printed, but one more difference you can see is that the existing content from this file is removed. The reason is because here we have used W, which is a write data type. Now instead of write, if I put it as a means it is going to append into the file. So let me write here message as welcome to Python. Welcome to Python series. Now if you see here, if I run this code, it is going to append this. That means it will not delete whatever we have existing, it will just append after that. Let me run this code. Okay, now you can see here a new code has inserted entry into this function file. So this is how you can use the functions, file functions, to open the file and perform multiple operations inside the file. You can try it at your end and see how it works.